Hello, and welcome to the Hardtops Jeep JK 4-door 2-piece hardtop installation video. First, remove all existing soft top components. Next, using at least 2 people, lift the hardtop and place it onto your Jeep. Once you set the hardtop down, check for a proper fit. You may need to make adjustments. Ensure a snug fit all the way around. Next, using the hardware included, we will be installing 6 flange bolts and 2 mid-body bolts. Place the bolts into position and hand tighten only. You may need to have a second person on the outside to wiggle the top and help align the holes for the bolts. Hand tighten all bolts until all 6 flange bolts are installed. Next, we're ready to install the 2 mid-body bolts. Once those are installed, we're ready to give all 8 bolts a final tightening. Now we will install the front section hardtop adapters. Remove any existing hardware from the front section. Install 1 catch and 2 screws on each side of the windshield. Next, lower the front section into place. Once you set it down, adjust for a snug fit on all sides. The top should be centered and squared. Now you are ready to clamp down the 2 front cam locks. Next, adjust the 3 back safety turnbuckles so they line up with the anchor. Lock the turnbuckles down. Check the outside of your hardtop. Make sure the seam between the back and front sections is flush. Ensure the door seal is flush. You may need to push it up to get it flush with the hardtop. Next, we are ready for the water leak test. With someone inside the Jeep, spray the hardtop and check for leaks. If any water comes through, check that all locks have been tightened properly. You may need to make small adjustments should any water get through. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your new Jeep JK 4-door 2-piece hardtop.